Welcome, dear children, and all lovers of good fairy tales to my channel. This is a channel dedicated to you. My name is Aliana, and I will read for you. Kalli Dakos wrote a poem. The poem's name is Cleaning House in My Brain. I'm cleaning house in my brain. It's back to school time again. Shining windows, paint doors, vacuum rugs, polish floors. Brush away TV shows, picnic, beaches, free times goes. Bring my memory back in gear, sweep the channels crystal clear. My brain is an amazing tool, and it's all ready for back to school. Thank you for listening to poem I read to you. If you like this video, make sure you like it and subscribe on my channel. If you have any special desire to read your favorite story, write to me on my mail address or Instagram profile or Facebook. See the description of the video address. To the next video, sleep well and listen spoken soft my stories. Good night.